look at him. Mama, Papa. Alright, you want to come in the mix? Come. Since we are a family and we do everything together. Yeah. Say like. Comment. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Bye.
Hi guys, and happy Monday everybody. Just taking this few minutes before to go to work. Last night have been very hard for us in terms of Tyler was sick. Well, he's still sick, but we had the best night. We had the best night since a long time. So yeah, he wasn't feeling good, and it's not only that, it's also about always whining, always waking up at night like every hours. Like it's like if he was just born. That's remind us the feeling when Tyler was just born and have to wake up every hour because he's crying or he's hungry or anything like this. So yeah, it have been very hard last week. Hopefully this week gonna be a better week. Yeah, it started much better. Like I said, we have a good night. Tyler's still snoring a lot at night. His nose is full, I guess, but at least he maybe woke up one time, so yeah, he have a very good night. So yeah, so I wish for all of you a happy new week. It's December now, so it's the last month of the year, the last things to get done before Christmas comes. So yeah, have a good week, have a good day, and I'll catch you guys later when I come back from work.
Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Can you hear that? Yes, I'm a bit stuffy. I'm catching whatever Tyler have, but I am home remedying. I'm taking honey and garlic, which I absolutely hate, but I don't need this cold right now. I really don't need it to hold me down. So that's what I'm taking for that. And I'm also taking some other cold medicine. Today is Monday. It's the start of a new week, so happy Monday, you guys, and hopefully you guys will have a productive week this week. I'm actually heading out early on this Monday morning to I'm going by my head office because I need to get some stuff done there. I need to get some papers done there, and then I am going to come back home and chill for the rest of the day until this afternoon when I have work. Baby's gonna come home and take care of Tyler. Tyler's still not feeling well in terms of he's still coughing and he still have that cold, but each day is better than the day before. So at least he's getting a little bit better. So there's some progress there. But yeah, that's what's up right now. I am heading out to catch the bus in a few minutes. So let me let you guys say hi to Tyler if he's in the mood to talk, and he is in the mood for his laptop. Say good morning. Dog. Woof woof. Dog. Say hello. Say hi. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Tyler, can I say hi to the faves? Say hi. Hi. How are you? Hello. And give them bizu. Give them bizu. Look. Mwah! Good boy. Yes, you guys, so there you guys have Tyler. As you can see, he's not doing too bad. So we're going to head out right now. Let's get him in some warm clothes. I'm not even gonna take off his spear. I'm just gonna put on his jacket and head out. I said to him, Tyler, stroller. He said no, he wants to walk this morning. So walking it is as usual. Come on. Look at him still in his page. His page is so warm and mushy. Come on, let's go. I see you. You guys, I have been back home for a minute and fed Tyler lunch, got me some lunch, and I'm in my favorite spot as usual, the kitchen. I am in the kitchen because I'm about to make dinner. That way when I come home later I don't eat crap, and if babe wants to eat when he gets home before I get back, he'll have something to eat. Because that's the way when I cheat and eat what I'm not supposed to, when I don't do things in advance, even though most of the time I'm on my game. But yeah, I'm just making some steamed veggies over here, and I'm making shrimp in oyster sauce, which I'm gonna throw this out into the pot. What? Look at your nose. Your nose needs to clean. It fell on the floor. What you watching? Go in the living room. Mama is coming. Go on. So I'm making shrimp in oyster sauce and veggies, and that's what dinner is going to be for tonight. I'm sure I'm gonna have to get a new camera soon. Look who is home! Hey! And look who is coughing. Tyler is coughing. And I'm also he's watching Wheels on the Bus. You guys, baby's home.
Yes,
and
I am.
Home, and I am heading out. So you guys will be with this handsome, scrumptious one until I get back home. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. You're gonna be a good boy until Mama get back from work? Yes? Good? As you guys can see, Tyler is getting back in his element. He's almost there. Almost there. Alright, you guys. I'm going to head out right now, so I'll catch you guys later.
Hey guys, yeah, so baby's at work and I'm home alone with Tyler. Yesterday I ran been a very long time, so I didn't run much, just 20 minutes, so I'm gonna do the same thing today. I still have a little pain, but I can't wait to feel better. I mean, that's been a long time now that I have this little pain, so yeah, hopefully it's gonna be fine. Yesterday was fine, so I'm just gonna do 20 minutes again to see how it feels before to think about doing something more, just running, nothing else. So just finished to run. I'm not sweating that much. I feel tired inside me, but I'm not sweating that much. So yeah, just ran 20 minutes. Felt a little bit of pain, but that was a success. I'm happy. I did what I wanted to do. So yeah, I'm here. Just going to stretch, relax, shower, and yeah, that was a success. I'm happy. So hopefully tomorrow will be the rest, and well, Wednesday or Thursday, depends what time I'm home, I'll come back and do 30 minutes. 30 minutes will be the next challenge.
This covered over my head and the thing come right off in my hands.
Hello, you're on camera now.
Hi guys. I just got back home and you guys can imagine I'm in the kitchen and I was talking to Babe and didn't even realize that he was recording. What number is that? What number is that? 80.
80.
Yeah. I'm in the kitchen and doing dinner.
Yeah,
dinner.
you cook already. You're not cooking now.
I'm
You
just
cook already.
preparing it to make it warm. Not too much. You had enough shrimp on yours?
Yeah, I'll leave some for you.
You sure?
Yeah, take it. I know you like it.
Oh, I'm not gonna eat this off.
Alright guys, so I ran today, so I got a healthy dinner for
So
tonight.
only when you're around you get healthy dinner?
Yeah, that's healthy dinner.
You're hilarious. That's Babe healthy dinner. And I'm having the same. So what kind of little pinch of quinoa this is? So why you didn't take more quinoa?
Because you wanted quinoa, I felt you wanted quinoa. Then Tyler, doucement.
No, you're hilarious.
Okay, but that's okay for me. It looks like somebody who's going on diet and...
That look like starvation to me.
No, yeah, I got some chocolates.
That's why you're trying to
chocolate.
compromise.
Yeah.
You can't trick me. Anyway, you guys, I am home now and it's dinner time and we're not going to do anything for the rest of the day. So we're going to go ahead and end today's vlog. Tyler.
I'm gonna iron tonight.
Okay. No worries. Ty.
The apple juice.
You want apple juice?
Apple juice.
Apple juice, please, Mama.
Pizza, Mama.
Can you tell the faves bye?
Bye.
Tomorrow.
Oh,
Till
it's
tomorrow.
a car.
Car? Alright, go get your car. You guys, we're going to go ahead and give you guys the expressions for tonight. What's the French expression for today?
I don't know.
Me no know.
Me no know.
Me no know?
Me no know.
Is the job this way? Yes, baby, that way. Tyler is showing you guys his car. Can you guys see it? Wait. He's driving on top of the barbecue. That's not pampas. That's paper. The Jamaican expression for today is me no know. Me no know simple means I don't know. And they're going to give the French expression roll right off that one.
Je ne sais pas.
Je ne sais pas.
Je ne sais pas. Simple mean I don't know.
Focus.
Je ne sais pas simple mean I don't know. So yeah, je ne sais pas.
Je ne sais pas.
Right, je ne sais pas.
I don't know. Alright, you guys, so there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. Look at him, Mama, Papa. Alright, you want to come in the mix? Come. Since we are a family and we do everything together. Yeah. Say like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell.
Bye.
Bye guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Say tomorrow. Alright. Say catch up. Keep up. Alright. My God. He said alright. Bye.